We're not following harvest in detail in this programme, but today John Haynes' 1993 John Deere 3650 is in action with a 3760 forage harvester to chop some wheat straw. Although not a typical job for a forage harvester, in the days when some combines still lacked straw choppers, it wasn't unheard of for a contractor to be called in to chop some straw, especially just following the stubble burning ban in 1993. The 3760 is a cylinder-type forage harvester, which was made at John Deere's French factories from the late 1970s through to the mid-80s. At the time, it was the largest trailed forager offered by John Deere. The forager is a good match for the 118 horsepower 3650, which is barking away nicely. The crosswind is enough to spread the straw, which is being chopped to a length of about 1.5 inches.